Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to convert multiple images to text using Google Lens in 2025. If you've ever struggled with extracting text from photos, like receipts, scanned documents, or even handwritten notes, this tutorial is for you. Google Lens has evolved a lot, with smarter AI and faster processing, making it easier than ever to handle batches of images. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Google app installed on your phone or access it via your browser on a computer. Google Lens is free and integrates seamlessly with Google Photos and Drive. Start by opening the Google Lens app or going to lens.google.com. If you're on mobile, tap the camera icon to get started. Now, for converting multiple images, select your photos. In 2025, Google Lens allows you to upload or select up to 10 images at once, perfect for efficiency. Go to the Gallery option, pick your images, and hit Analyze. The AI will scan each one, identifying text with incredible accuracy thanks to advanced OCR technology. Once the images are processed, you'll see the extracted text highlighted on each photo. Tap on the text to select it, and then choose Copy All to grab everything at once. If you need to edit or refine the output, use the built-in tools to correct any errors. Google Lens now suggests fixes based on context, which is a game changer. After copying, you can paste the text into any app, like Google Docs or Notes, for further use. This method saves tons of time, especially for students, professionals, or anyone dealing with digital archives. Remember, for the best results, ensure your images are clear and well lit. There you have it. A quick and easy way to convert multiple images to text with Google Lens in 2025. Give it a try and boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.